out the fucking lane, bitch. What are you honking at me for? What did I do? What are you honking at me for? What the fuck did I do? You're the one that fucking in the middle of the fucking lane. Damn, fucking people don't know how to drive in fucking Chinatown. Welcome to the fucking Asians in this fucking world. Don't know how to fucking drive shit. Literally giving us a fucking bad rep. Don't know why.